Brian and Steven, go select a couple of audience members.
What?
Go up there.
Sounds so
My heels! You know how much that hurts? You know how much?
All right, all you're gonna do is you're gonna provide the sound effects for Brett. We're gonna act out a scene. All you have to do is you have to provide the sound effects for Brett, and you're gonna provide the sound effects for me. Do we have the microphone there turned on?
Yeah, the orange and yellow should be.
It's loud.
Halfway through the scene, she's gonna forget what's going on, though.
So you go ahead and stand on the.
And the other side is going to be really violent.
We're gonna act out a scene. Now, I asked Steven to write a scene for me just now. I have not seen this scene, and I'm very, very worried about this. Steven, may I please see the scene?
Make sure it's violent and involves death.
You gotta be kidding me!
Oh no!
Oh, yes.
Spies getting ready for a mission. All right, so God help us. That's what we do.
It's not difficult. This is the funniest one ever.
All right, so go ahead, start. Right.
Yeah.
We just got a message from headquarters.
Again? I thought the last time we moved, they lost the address.
Only pigeons. That's all I'm gonna say. All right. All right. Look. The kingdom eats a lot. He's a fag. Never mind. All right.
I wasn't gonna say anything.
He's stuck in his window. We
Stuck
have
in
to
his
go.
window?
We have to go get him out.
Stuck
All
in
right.
this window?
Yeah.
We're spies. This is. Oh, okay. I don't know.
Look. Okay. We just gotta get him out, and then we'll be fine. All right. Let's take the car. All right.
You forgot to fill it with gas, didn't you?
Yes, I forgot to fill it with gas.
So I gave you my credit card.
Wait. We've got bikes.
Right.
All right. All right. Ready?
They're the talking bikes. They're new.
We need to oil these,
Right.
actually. That's not gonna work. Let's just go. This is so weird.
I know what.
Okay, is that a semi? Is that a semi?
I don't know. Oh, I think it's right over cat. Oh, my tire.
All right, we're here. All right. There he is. I can see him. He's hanging out of his window.
Wow, that's a big guy.
It's Drew Carey. All right.
Oh. Wow.
All right. We need to find some way to get up there.
Let's get the grappling hooks.
Grappling hooks?
Okay.
All right. Wait. I looked up at the trunk of the car.
Of course you did.
Come on.
And you forgot to fill the car. Yes. May I remember?
Okay. Can we please get off that? All right. We gotta find some other way. Wait a minute. We could go in, use the elevator. That'd be too easy. You're right. We gotta do it the hard way. Spies. All right. Wait. I just remembered. My pocket grappling hook.
Right.
All right. I'm gonna fire it, and it's gonna be really, really loud. So you may want to cover your ears. All right. It's gonna be really, really loud.
All right.
Well, it's caught. At least it's good. All right. You know, you better hold this, and I'll hold on to you. All right.
Okay.
Ready? Let's go.
Oh, that's really quick.
Oh, shoot, I forgot it only holds 100 pounds. What are all these ducks doing here? Wait. Ducks have wings.
Right.
We can use them to fly us up there.
Okay.
It's so crazy, it just might work.
Okay.
All right. Go. All right. Grab onto the side of the building. All right.
I forgot to mention I'm great heights.
And it's a glass building.
Yeah, that's okay. Or we're gonna inch across. Oh crap! The ridge is oiled. We gotta be very careful. I'm wearing my hush puppies.
Why did you have to wear those shoes? I told you I don't like those.
Oh, we went the wrong way back there. All right. All right. All right, sir. We're gonna get you out of there. Just hold on. Just hang on tight.
We need some oil or butter.
Sir, can you talk to me?
He must be mute.
All right, sir. We've got the oil cans, and we're going to grease you out of there. All right.
Squirt, squirt, squirt. Squirt, 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 squirt.
It's making weird noises.
I
Are you sure this is really well, kid?
know. No, not really.
All right, new plan. Chainsaw. All right, I'm gonna use my belt and I'm gonna hook onto the ledge. All right.
Wait, where did you put the chainsaw? I don't even want to know.
All right.
Okay,
All right. I'm gonna
this?
turn this on, and it's gonna be really, really loud.
It's broken.
No,